Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat login error. Something went wrong. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting app and search for this apps. Tap on this and tap on app management and search for this Snapchat and tap on. After that, tap on manage notification. If the toggle turn off and tap on turn on and go back and tap on permissions and tap on call log. You make sure that tap on allow, go back and tap on camera and tap on allow, go back and tap on contents, tap on allow, and after that go back your home screen and open your Play Store and search for this Snapchat and tap on updates, and after update I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.